Schwetzingen is an attractive town located in northwest of Baden-Württemberg, about 10 minutes by regional train from Mannheim or Heidelberg. It is a place that has a lot to offer: a beautiful and architecturally rich palace, interesting culture, and the cherry blossoms galore. Schwetzingen's city center is only a few steps away from the palace. Here you can linger wonderfully in the restaurants and cafes. In addition, many attractive shops invite you to go on an extensive shopping spree. Schwetzingen is a place where the joy of life meets garden art. The castle is the city's most famous and visited landmark. It is actually famous for its beautiful and harmonious gardens. Remarkably, the original design, in all its diversity, survives to this day. Schwetzingen has one of Germany's largest groves of Japanese cherry trees. The Schwetzingen Palace is a major draw for the Hanami, the spring cherry blossom festival. Once the trees are in full bloom, strolling beneath the branches is like walking under a pink cloud. The garden was next to the so-called Red Mosque. In fact, the Schwetzingen Mosque was the first and largest of its kind in Germany. The blossoming of the Japanese cherry trees in the garden in front of Schwetzingen Mosque is an impressive experience that captivates many visitors every year. In the first warmer days of spring, the Japanese cherry trees begin to blossom profusely, revealing their splendor for only a few weeks. The short blooming period of cherry trees is matched by the abundance of blossoms that cover the trees during this time. Against the backdrop of the unique mosque, the sea of white and pink blossoms is a particularly magnificent sight. The castle garden is worth the visit alone. The building serves as a gateway through the truly magnificent gardens that lie beyond the gates. Impressively, the palace has retained its extensive gardens, lawns, fountains, and various buildings, including the Temple of Apollo, the bathhouse, and the mosque. Elector Carl Philipp laid the foundation stone for today's palace garden. When he moved into Mannheim Palace in 1731, he had Schwetzingen extended as a summer residence and hunting lodge. The garden was much smaller than today and extended only as far as the Aryan Fountain. This is where the old orangery used to stand because the elector valued exotic plants. You will be delighted by the landscape and magnificent statues as you take a stroll or relax on one of the benches while admiring the different areas of the garden. The admission fee is €6. You will be amazed how the plants are taken care of. The gardens are embellished with some of the finest and most elaborate water potteries, and depending on the season, you will find assortments of plants and beautiful flowers. As a tourist, walking is your best bet. The town is small and a 10-minute walk from the train station will bring you to the gardens. So if you are looking for a place to visit during the early days of spring, Schwetzingen is the best place I can recommend for you. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, choose